friends, today I am going to explain 10th standard English 7th chapter, the last chapter 6th and 7th I left, leaving all chapter I have completed. So I will explain 7th chapter. In 6th chapter explanation part 2 I will give links, otherwise I will give the chapter name and link you so that you can watch the video and understand. So let's come to chapter 7, Colors of Science. So this is written by National Book Trust of India. So this is a story of the poet our Satish Gujral, a foremost artist of India. So he's an artist of India. He do painting, sculpture and he's an architecture also, and he is also a writer. So this is story about himself. This is story about him. So let's come to first line. So Satish, why did not you come to school today? So here is a phrase friend. Here Satish Gujral's one friend is asking him why you did not come to school today. So in second line, Surender had to repeat the question 3 times before Satish heard him. He was lying on the bed, his eyes closed, sweat glistened on his brows. So Surender has to repeat that why did not you come to school today. He had to repeat it 3 times. After that Satish heard him as he was. So Satish was on his friend. So Surender was telling him why did not you come to school. His friend is Surender. So after hearing that Satish was on the bed, his eyes was closed, he was sweating. So let's come to third line. No, I am not well, replied Satish of late. He had been down with something or the other. So Satish replied to Surender, no, I am not well, so I did not come to school of late. So lately he said that he had been down with something or the other. So he had been became weak with he was suffering from some problem, he's telling. So let's come to next. What's the matter with you, Satish? His friend asked with concern. He put his hand on his forehead to feel it. So his friend Surender asked Satish, what's matter? Why you did not come to school? Because Satish said, I am suffering from some problem. So his friend Surender asked, what's the matter with you? So he asked to Satish. So and by asking his checked his temperature, he put his hand on his forehead to feel what he is suffering from fever or what is the matter. So let's come with para. I don't know, Surender. It's been pretty bad since the last operation on my leg. I get these terrible headaches and then feel as if everything is going dark and silent. I feel miserable, but where are you speaking so soft? Why are you speaking so softly? I can barely hear you. So Satish said to Surender, I don't know. So Satish had a leg operation. So because of leg operation, he is getting these terrible headaches, and he also feel as if everything is going dark and silent. He feels very much miserable. He does not like it. But he asked to Surender, why you are talking softly? It is very difficult. I am feeling difficult to hear you. So he asked like that. So let's come to sixth line. Surender gave him a strange look. He had certainly not been speaking softly. Has he lost his hearing? Wondered Surender. So Surender became shocked and he is looking him strangely because he was asking Satish in a loud voice. But Satish, for him it was hearing like yes, he was looking softly. So Surender thought had he lost his hearing ability, he tried hearing ability. So Surender wondered him. So wondered Surender. So he looked on him. He looked on Satish. So in 7th para, let's go to 7th line. Poor Satish. He had been ill ever since he came back from the holiday in Kashmir the previous year. So Satish Gujaral was little bit poor. Means what he was suffering from problem, not financially. Means what problem he was suffering, he was not knowing. So he was ill from ill ever. So he was ill when he returned back home from holiday. So he had gone for holiday to Kashmir in the previous year. So he had gone to holiday. So Surender tells what problem happened here. So let's come to it, para. There had been an accident when he went hiking with his father and brother in there. They were crossing a rickety bridge over some rapids. The boy stood and looked down at the swirling water below them. Look how the water is rushing at the spot. Satish pointed out to his brother. Just then his foot slipped and losing his balance he fell into the rapids. His screams were lost in the rushing sound of the water. When he regained consciousness, his legs were in a plaster cast and his head hurt badly. He was bruised and aging all over. So has he gone to holiday to Kashmir in last year? So there he had an accident. So Satish had been an accident. So there an accident happened with him. So when he went for hiking, Satish Gujaral went for hiking with his father and his brother in there. So with his father and his brother in there, he went to hiking. They were crossing a bridge over some rapids. Means the water is flowing fastly in the water is flowing fastly. So the boy means Satish stood there and looked down at the water. So water was flowing, no? So he looked on it. So he said to his brother in there, look how the water is rushing at the spot. So how the water is going fastly at the spot. So he said that word to his brother, pointing to his brother. He said that word. Just after saying that, he lost his his foot slipped and he lost his balance and he fell into that rapids. Means that fast flowing water. His screams were lost in the sounds of the flowing water, that fast flowing water. So when he came to consciousness, his legs were full of bandages, his head were hurt badly, he was very much bruised and aging all over. So he was very much fear what happened to me. Means injured, he was very much injured, and what happened he was thinking. So though his legs healed, they remained weak, requiring several operations on them. Worse, he suffered frequently from bouts of fever and infection, especially after a year. So his legs were harmed very much. So there were many operations done on his legs to so that he can stand again on his legs. So because of many operations, he suffered from the bouts of fever and infections, especially of ear infection he was suffering. Seeing that Satish was in pain, Surender now got up to go. Will you come to school tomorrow? He asked. So, seeing as Surender was knowing all about this, seeing that Satish was in pain, means he was suffering from very much pain because he was suffering from fever and he was suffering from fever and he could not hear clearly. So Surender now thought I should leave now. I should leave him free. So while leaving, he asked Satish, "Will you come to school tomorrow?" He asked to Satish. Surender asked to Satish. So Satish in 11th para, Satish shook his head. So Satish shook his head, saying, "I will try to come." So in 12th para, a slow tear trickled down his cheek after Surender left. It felt as if some huge weight was pressing upon his head, making everything seem far away and silent. He felt helpless and upset at being confined to bed as he was. The silence was the worst. Everything seemed like scenes from some pantomime show. He wanted to scream to break the silence but did not. For the 8-year-old boy, this was terrible. The doctor did not know the cause, except that it was caused by medicines given to treat his legs. So after Surinder went, Satish tears trickled, means he was crying. Satish was crying. He was depressed very much. So it felt him like something huge weight is pressing his head, making everything seem far and silent. He's very much depressed, thinking about what is happening to me. He's very much tension in it. He felt helpless. So Satish felt helpless, and he was upset at being confined to bed. So he was upset that I am sleeping from many days. So he was very much upset. So there was very much silence because he lost his capability of hearing. So there was very much silence because he could not hear. No? So it was very much silence. He wanted to scream so that he could break the silence. So he wanted to scream, but he could not do it. For the 8-year-old boy, so Satish was 8 years when he suffered from that accident. This was very much tension, means very much terrible. That doctor did not know the cause. So doctor did not know the cause, except that it was caused by medicines given to the treatment. So that this was causing him because of the treatment given to his legs. So that medicine was giving problem to him, like this problem. So let's come to the para. Due to this frequent absence and his hearing problem, the school he was attending till then informed his father, Mr. Avatar Narayan, that they could not keep Satish. We will have to look for a new school, his father said. So due to his frequent absence and he lost his hearing problem, the school where he was studying said to his father, Avatar Narayan, that you should leave the school, we can't keep him in our school. So Satish shook his head saying no. So for Parasha, Satish shook his head saying no. He did not want to go to a school where he could not talk to the other children, where everyone would make fun of his deafness. So Satish said, when his father asked Satish, shall I put you to other school? So he said no. He did not want to go to school where his other student, means his friend, would make fun of his deafness. So in 15th para, Beta, you have to go to school and learn. What will you do in life if you don't get education? He asked his son. Satish heard snatches of his words but knew what he was saying. After a lot of persuasion, he finally agreed to go alone to the new school. So Avatar Narayan said that, Beta, you have to go to school to learn. What will you do in your life if you did not get education? She said. So Satish did not hear because he lost his hearing ability, but he feels that what his father was saying. After a lot of thinking, persuasion, act of convincing, after his father convinced him, after after a lot of thinking, making discussion, he finally agreed to go to a new school. Para, my son is not dumb. So 16 para, but this school did not want him for the same reason. This is a school for normal boys. Why don't you take your son to the school for deaf and dumb children? Asked the headmaster of the school bluntly. Avatar Narayan was angered. So after Satish agreed to go to a new school, his father gone to a school and he asked, is that school also gave the same reason? So that school also said, this is the school of normal boys. Why could not you join? You make him to join to the school of deaf and dumb children. So the headmaster said to the Avatar Narayan. Avatar Narayan became anger. So in 17th para, Avatar Narayan says, "My son is not dumb, sir. His hearing is a little bad. He is under treatment and will soon be fine." He argued, but in vain. Other schools had the same to say. In despair, father and son returned home. So after Avatar Narayan became angry, he said to the principal, "My son is not dumb, sir. His hearing capabilities became little bit bad. He is under treatment and will become good so as will become fine as soon as possible." He argued with the principal with very much tension. So other school had the same too. So he tried in many school. Other school also said in same way. So in despair, Satish father and Satish had to return home because no school was taking Satish. So in 18th para, though Avatar Narayan felt shattered, he would not give up hope. After the unsuccessful expedition to the school, Satish became very moody. He could not talk freely with anyone because he was unable to hear a single word. His brother Inder sat for hours with him and talked to him, teaching him words and pronunciation, unable to bear the taunts and teasing of the children in the neighborhood. Unable to bear the taunts and teasings of the children in the neighborhood, Satish even avoided going out to play. So after all the school rejected Satish, though the Avatar Narayan felt shattered, means helpless, he would not give up his hope. So Avatar Narayan Satish did not give up his hope. After the unsuccessful expedition to the schools, Satish became very much moody, means he did not get any mood to read. He could not talk freely with anyone because he could not talk with anyone because he could not hear what they will say. So his brother Inder sat with him, telling him the pronunciation of the and the words of the English. So he could not bear the taunts did by his neighbors and the children of the neighbor. So Satish even stopped to go out to play. So let's come to last para. After this para explanation, I will stop. I will explain in next video still para. His father and Inder spent time with him every day, talking to him, trying to teach him things. If you want to get on in life, you have to read a lot. You can learn a great deal of things just by reading. His father told Satish, giving him a armful of books. Satish lifted through the life of Garibaldi, translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai, the work of Munshi Premchand, Sarat Chandra and several others. So as Satish was feeling a little bit depressed, his father and Inder spent more time with him every day, talking to him, trying to teach him the new things. So his father tried to understand him that if you want to do something in your life, you should read very much. So his father learn a great deals of things. You can do whatever you want by reading. So his father told. So his father gave a armful of books. Satish lifted through them. The life of Garibaldi, means he got back his hope. The life of Garibaldi, translated into Urdu by Lala Lajpat Rai, the work of Munshi Premchandji and Sar Chandra and several others. So this is the work. Till here I will stop. I will continue explanation in my next video. I think you all have understand this explanation till I have done. So if you have understand, please like my video and comment on my video how it is. And if you have any doubt, write on comment. I will give you answer on comment only. And for still video, subscribe my channel Amen Coaching Center, and don't forget to see 10th standard in this 10th standard English 6th chapter, last 6th chapter part 2 explanation. There I will give all chapters link in description, so don't see in description of that part 2 10th standard English 6th chapter part 2. Okay, so meet you in next video today evening. Till then, watch my video, like my video, comment my video, and subscribe my channel for more video. So okay, goodbye, see you in my next video. Bye and take care.